Hey guys, we've got this Super Mario Brothers classic Nintendo CultureFly box to unbox. Ready to get into it?
Yep.
We made a pre-advanced hole because we snot.
Oh yeah, this is the stuff on it.
Yes, it's not much of a mystery, but there is a mystery item.
And now it disappears.
I get the feeling like when they tried to sell these to Walmart, Walmart was like, but what's in the box? No, it's a mystery box, but what's in the box? No, it's a surprise. That's the fun of it. No, you gotta tell people what's inside, and that's why there's stickers.
Okay. Right. I have examined this box and there was only two sides. There is this side, which is neat, and then there is the end of the level, which is neat. And as you can see, there's an official Nintendo seal.
So it's
official.
And it is by CultureFly, so that means it's probably all exclusive to CultureFly. So let's get her open, because everything else around the edges
and just to make
bricks.
sure, because everyone will be mad if I don't, I said those are the only sides.
It's just the Mario bricks.
Da-da-da-da. Wait, no.
No,
wrong
not
thing.
Zelda. Alright, so...
Now, CultureFly.
Alright, we're going to put that off to the side. It says Super Mario Brothers 1985 Nintendo in there.
Oh, that's a tag.
It is.
This is a blanket.
It's unfolded.
Unfold it.
We're gonna
But while you do that, I will show off these amazing coasters. Ooh,
You
coaster.
take them out of the pack? What if one's Mario and one's Luigi? Like, we won't know unless we open them.
Yeah, they're basically the same. This one has a green mustache. Look, it's a mystery until I flip it back around.
Not even we know the true origins of this.
I mean, I kind of do, but I haven't even opened it yet. It just showed it. Ta-da! No,
Oh yeah, I forgot. Like, original Luigi was just like green.
I told you. Yeah, he's just.
They really needed to save on pixels.
He needs to be in the back. No,
the back.
The back.
All right, these are actually kind of nice, like rubber, pretty thick. Actually, yes, I thought I would comment on that.
Coasters. Make them listen to rock and roll.
Let's see that mystery item. Looks actually kind of cool. What is it?
I don't know. What'd you do with that blanket? Did you show
I'm holding it. No. I'm holding it because it's so large.
Right. Oh yeah, this is the roundness. It's level, as you can see. It looks neat. And this is meant to be the end castle, I hope.
Yeah, that's the end of the level castle. If it will just come out.
Shake the box, that's how... Right.
Shake the baby till it stops screaming.
There we go. Ooh, came out nice.
What is that, a bank or what? Looks like bankish. Bankish? Yes, it's a bank.
Yes, it's a bank.
It's a bankish.
Put it in there. Coin goes in the castle. Fireworks.
You
boom,
can get
boom,
all
boom,
of like
boom,
7
boom.
coins in there, I think. But okay, hey, it's still cute. I like that it's nice and thick and 3D.
Okay.
Whoa!
Still standing. Oh my god. Hang on, I need to show this off first. This is a pin. Actually, here, move this so it stays. You show off the blanket while I open the pin.
I'm gonna need like your help to show off the blanket though, because it's quite large.
Well, I already got the pin out, so.
All right,
Look, a
you
beautiful
take that
arm.
side. Now I think we're gonna have to do that at the end, like take the box out of the way and everything.
Yeah. Alright, well this is the pin. It's a 8-bit star.
I like it. What kind of back is it?
Double back.
Okay.
And look. Official.
Yes, we got that from the front of the box, or the bottom of the box, I guess.
People will always go.
Whee.
Now, this is a sock. I don't want to open it because I'm lazy. But, yes. Okay, that's
like
neat.
You fell into it.
Oh no.
I've lost my sense of gravity.
Yeah, so it seems like the front is him coming out, and the back is it. Oh, I see. It's like a small story. It's him shooting the fireball, then landing on the pipe and shooting another fireball.
And then at the bottom, besides the silica packet, you have the Welcome to the Warp Room where you choose 4, 3, or 2. And now I'm going to just move this stuff over so we can try and show you the blanket quickly.
This is going to be hard.
Yeah, this is going to be a challenge. Okay, it goes that way. No, go that way.
Okay.
Okay, start. Yeah,
all right,
pull it your way.
Do
it's
it,
the underwater
like a Mario
level. See, I can't even get like half of it in there though. It's the craziness. Like, there's Mario swimming down here at the bottom. I don't know the exact dimensions of this, but it's fairly large. I know you can't see.
It's big enough to not fit on camera.
Yes. It's maybe, I mean, it doesn't really wrap all around, but it's like a good lap blanket.
And if you look at the top, it's actually a score.
Yes.
So Mario has.
You know what?
50.
We'll just take a picture. They can see a picture.
Yeah, we can take a picture.
All right, guys. So I guess
Magic
that's
of
it then.
editing.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.